Okay. So in open your edu blocks. So today we are going to learn if condition. Last class we have started. Now we are going to start in detail. Okay. So open your edu blocks and give the name. Just click the new. Okay. Here you can create, right? You can see here new button. So just click the new button and select Python and give if statement. You can give any name. If also fine, if statement also fine. Okay, give if statement, then click start coding. Once you start coding, you can see this screen. Yeah. Okay, so let me know once you're done.
Completed.
Completed, right? Okay, very good. Now first thing is we are going to create the great system. We are going to create one small program so that will calculate the average of 5 subject, and based on the average score it will generate, it will give the grade whether you are in a, like a grade, a plus, b plus, c plus, or you are failed or passed. Okay, so let's start now. First I want to create the mark for 5 subject. So for how we can create the mark, first thing is create variable. Just go and select variable, create variable. Okay, create variable and give the name of the variable is max. Okay, so now what is the mark for max? You select it. If you select, the max will come here. So now you give the mark like 95. How much mark you got in your last exam, you can give here. Got it? I repeat how we can create the variable. Go to left hand side panel. So here you can see left hand side variables. Okay, this is the first step. Select this variable. Okay, so after selection that, then second step is click create variable. After clicking, it will prompt one name. What is the variable name? Here give the name as max, maths. Okay, then if you drag and drop, it will come like this. Now give the marks. So like that we are going to create the variable for 5 subject. Now I have created the 1 subject. So now we are going to create another remaining 4 subject. So same way, go to select the variable, create variable and give science. Click it, it will come automatically. Use join. Now give science as a 80 marks. Any mark you can give, no issues. Okay, then what is other subject? Max, science. Nihal, what is other subject you have, or who is there? Zahid, can you tell?
It's all we have English.
English. Okay, wait. So click create variable English. Okay, so English, what is your English mark in last exam?
96.
96. Very good. Okay, what is other subject, Zahid?
Computer science.
Computer science. Okay, any other subject? Very short name. Social. Okay,
GK. GK.
GK.
GK.
Okay, social. Okay, social. Now select social. I will give social. How much your mark in social? Social science.
I don't have social.
Okay, anybody have social? Nihal, you have social?
Yes, sir.
What is your mark?
I got 93.
Wow, all are brilliant student. Very good. Okay, so last thing is GK. Okay, I'm creating.
99.
Okay, next thing is GK. Okay, so general knowledge. So Zahid, what is your mark in GK?
100.
100. Mashallah. Okay. Okay. So now we have created 5 subject marks by using variable. Got it? So now this is our code. So if you are using Visual Studio Code, simple open your Visual Studio and select click plus file name and give file name as a if if.py or score.py mark.py, anything, any name you can give. Okay, so I give mark.py and simple here also same thing, max equal to 80. Okay, science. So instead of typing, I will copy the code from here. Okay, I'll copy, I'll paste. So like that, you have to create in the Visual Studio. You don't have to drag and drop. This is very easy. So those who are not installed Visual Studio yet, they can go for Edu blocks. Those who are having Visual Studio, directly you can type here. Max, my max mark is this much, science is this much. Like that, you can give. Okay. After giving, so what is the next? We are going to create the total. What is my total values? Okay. So how we can create? Again, one variable, create variable total. Okay, so total you can drag and drop, total equal to max plus science plus English plus what is after English? Social plus GK. Got it? So this is my code. Okay, so total you got.
Can you wait for some time?
Yeah, I will wait, I will wait. So total equal to max plus science plus English plus social plus GK. Okay. Meanwhile, I will wait for Zahid. Any other student? Samina, Fatima, Nihal, can you tell how to calculate the average? 5, I got different marks from different subject, but I want to calculate the average. What is?
Sir,
Ah,
first we add them all, then we divide them by 5 because we have 5 subjects.
very good, Nihal. Yeah. So total divided by 5 will give the average. So for that, again, create one variable with the name of average and equal to total divided by 5. So we got average. Okay. I'll click variable, create variable, average. Okay. So I'll click this, it will come here. I will connect. So now average equal to total divided by 5.
Error.
What error? Where you're getting error? When Edu blocks
Name
or
error. Name total is not defined on line 9
yeah.
in main py.
Okay. So you're using Edu block or Visual Studio Code?
Edu blocks.
Edu blocks. Check the name. Is the spelling is correct? TOTIL
I
total.
put that in all caps.
No. This is a case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. So don't give all caps. If you are giving all caps, then average also you have to use all caps. So here you are giving capital letter. Here you are using small letter. That doesn't work. So give in both places same case. Case means small letter, capital letter. That is called case sensitive. Okay. So upper case is different than lower case. Both are different. All both places give same case. Okay. Okay.
I need to create again a
No.
variable
No.
of
You can
average
no.
in
If
small.
you click rename. If you drop down, if you click this drop down, you can see the rename variable. If you click rename, then you can see here. Here you can rename. Okay. If I put totals,
Every letter should be in small
oh,
only.
yes. Every letter should be in small. All small. Okay. Oh,
So in Visual Studio Code, can you show how to do the average again?
same thing. Average equal to total slash 5.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. Yeah. So now we got average, we got total. I am going to print my total and average here. So how we can print? We can go to statement and click the variable. Be careful, Zahir, don't select with double quotes. Okay. So select without double quotes. Here print variable is there, right? We are going to print the variable. We are not going to print any message. So if you are printing the message, you can put double quote, select this. So here we are printing variable of total and average. So click this variable and put here. So inside you can give double quotes. Message you have to give in double quotes. Okay. So what you can give, your total score is then plus total. Got it? The same way I'll click and right click duplicate. Now your average is what is my average? I can give here. In Edu, this one Visual Studio, you can type directly like this. Print your total score is total this much. Okay. Then print your average is like that. You can print in Visual Studio Code. This is the code you can see, Nihal. Right hand side you can see, right? This is the code in Visual Studio. So this is the Edu blocks. Okay. Zahid sent something max equal to 97 EVS English CS GK. That is a problem, Zahid. So you are putting EVS in lowercase and EVS in uppercase. English lowercase, but in total you are calling uppercase. Change EVS and English into lowercase. Here directly you can change. Here you are putting English EVS, right? Instead of putting EVS, just you put like this EVS. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so here you don't have to right click rename, only double click here, then wherever you want you can change it. So average is fine, only total you are keeping uppercase. Okay, keep it all lowercase. Okay, so now I'm going to run this program. Let's see what happened. When I run, I should get error. Okay, EVS, because here I defined science, but here I gave not English, here I gave EVS. So now I'll change to English. Okay, so now I'll stop, I'll run again. When I run, here you can see cannot concatenate string and int object in line 10. So here we are, total is the integer number, but yours total score is the string. So we cannot concatenate means we cannot connect two different variables. So how I can, how I can fix it? I explained in last class. Anybody know? Nihal, you know
So we
how?
put double quote.
No. Which one? Which one double quotes?
Total.
Okay, so as you said, if I want to total, let me run like this. Okay, so now I will put everything in double quotes. Now I'll run. See, I'm getting your total score is total, your average is average. So what happened? Total become message. So it is not getting any variable value. So that's why whatever we gave directly you are getting printed. So now I want to display total as a variable. I should not put it in double quotes. So I have to remove, come out of double quotes. That is a variable. We have to create it here. This is not like a const many alphabet message. Okay, it is a variable. So through that variable, you have to add with plus, but total is the integer number. So we have to convert that integer number to string. That's a method called str. It is a inbuilt method. I told you right last class, inbuilt methods like our remote control. So automatically lot of codes written inside that. Only you call that method and pass the value. What I'm telling you, listen this code carefully. So here str total I gave. Str is the method. Is a whatever number format total, it will convert into string. Okay, so that then string of total. So same way I can put average string of average. Okay, now if I run, I got my total score is 464 out of 500 and your average is 92.8. So let me know all are able to see this output. All are getting this output. Either you can run in app edu blocks or directly you can come to Visual Studio. I'll copy this 2-line code. Visual Studio, then I will run this. See, I got here also. Your total score is 464, your average is 92.8. Okay, I will put it in this chat window. You can copy the code. if you are facing any error. Okay, I gave the code here. Okay, all are getting this output?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So those who are joined new, I will explain again. So this we are going to create one small program. So that program will get all your marks and it will calculate the total and average, and it will print the your total and average. After printing, we are going to calculate the grade. So based on the average mark. Okay. So that's what we are going to do. Those who joined newly, don't do anything, just listen, and I will share your this recorded video. You can watch and you can practice, but now just listen. Already 30 minutes over, so now you just listen the class and you don't do any coding. So those who are joined first, they can do the coding. Otherwise, this much coding you have to do, it will take time. Okay, so after that I want to calculate the grade. So what is the grading system I have now? If my mark is greater than 90, I am grade A plus. If the mark is less than 90 and greater than 80, I am A. If it is less than 80, greater than 70, B plus. Then so on, so on, so on. Finally, I will getting mark below 40. It will display you are failed. So for that, we are going to use if condition. Okay. So what is the if condition here? First, select the logic. Okay. Then click if. If select logic if the average greater than 90. Okay, if average greater than 90, then I
I
have to.
sent the error in the chat box.
Okay, you listen the class. After the end, I will help you to fix it. Okay, while end you can share your screen. I will help you. Now listen the class. Don't give space. You are giving space between str space total. You gave a lot of space, so don't give space. Okay, I saw your code. You are giving like this, then you are giving like this. Okay, so don't give this space and all. That could be a error.
In the total only, in the bracket only, we
In
should not
print,
give.
yeah, in print you gave like this. Print str space space total. Don't give any space. Okay, okay, so just listen here. Okay, I gave the code in the chat window. You can copy and you can paste in your VS code and you can run there. So this is the if condition. We will write like this: if average is greater than 90, and you have to give the what is your statement. Okay, if my mark average is greater than 90, what I am going to print is statement and print. Yeah, here I don't have to print any variable. This is only message, so I am bringing with double quotes. Okay, so here I am printing grade. Okay, you got A plus. Grade, you got A plus. Okay, so this if my mark is greater than 90. What happen if the mark is less than 90 and greater than 80? So same thing. You go to logic. Don't select if. It is the else if. That is called ELF. Else if. Okay. What is if my mark is average is not greater than 90, but my average is less than 90. My average is less than 90 and average is greater than 80. Got it? Understood? So you do uh, MH Rahim, just mute it. I'm getting noise. Please mute. Okay. So listen carefully. You know you don't do anything. Just watch it. Okay. So else if what I'm doing, my average mark is less than 90, but greater than 80. So what I can print, I'll duplicate that print statement. I'll put here. I'll message your grade is A. Got it? Okay. So now what I can do if my mark is less than 80 and greater than 70, how I can do? Anybody can tell? What block I have to select? If or else if. What block I have to select for B plus grade? Nihal, can you tell? I want to add one more condition. My average is less than 80 and greater than 70. How I can do? Zahid?
Could you repeat?
Okay. So see here, my average is less than 90 and greater than 80. I am printing your grade is A. I want to add one more condition. If my average is less than 80 and greater than 70, your grade is B plus. How we can do?
We can add else.
Where not yeah, else means that is a last statement, but I have more condition has to come. B, C,
If,
C
if,
plus
if,
ah
if.
not if, not else, it is a else if. So I'll select this else if, I will duplicate, then I will put here, then I will change the condition here. My average is less than 80 and greater than 70, then your grade is B plus. Okay, again I can duplicate this. My average is less than 70 and greater than 60, then I am belongs to B only. Okay, so like that you can carry on, you can go, you can keep on go. For example, I have one more condition. Your average is less than 60 and greater than 50, then I have C plus. Then I have one more last condition, C. My average is less than 50 and greater than 40, then C. So now if the user is getting less than 40, then you can put else statement, last statement. So last statement, you can select the else, sorry, you are failed. I'll duplicate only print statement. I'll put here, sorry, you are failed. Got it? So I'll show the code here. See, listen the code, what code we have done. Okay, so we are getting the mark of 5 subject.
Can you share this in the chat box?
Yes, I'll share. Okay, you copy and you are put it in VS Code. Okay, I share the code. I'll explain the code now. So I first thing is from line number 2 to line number 6, I got the marks. Then line number 7, I have calculated the total. Then I have calculated the average. I will maximize it. Okay, so here I
Can you
have
show the block instead of code?
yeah, blocks. I'll explain. So now I have calculated the average, then I am printing total and average, then I am having the if statement. If my mark average is greater than 90, great, you got A plus. Else my average is less than 90 and greater than 80, this grade. Then less than 80 greater than 70, B plus. Less than 70 greater than 60, B. Then like that, C plus. Finally else statement. I'll show the blocks.
9.
Okay, yeah, this is the blocks.
Can't see your screen.
Okay, can't see. Yeah, let me. It got disconnected. Screen sharing. Now you can able to see. Let me know.
Yeah.
Okay. See, I got marks of 5 subject. Then okay, 5 subject, and I'm calculating the total. Then average and printing the values, and I'm calculating the if statement. Okay. So here you can see the code. So I'm printing the statement. I'm calculating the average. If average is less than 90, what is this? What I have to print? The average is less than 90 and greater than 80. What I have to print? Okay. Now we can run the program. You understood, Nihal? You got it? How we have created this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, good. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm going to print the run the code. Stop it. I'll run again. I'll got A plus because my average is 92.5. Now I'll reduce my mark. I got max is 50 mark, science is 40 mark, then English is 35, and social is 20, and GK is 30. So if I print like this, so now let's see what is the result. So I got only average is 35. My total score is 175. So I am getting sorry you are failed. Got it? So if you change the mark, automatically your result will change. 80. So now I'll put average mark 60, then 55, then
One doubt.
45. Yes,
You have put an
C plus.
elif,
Yeah,
ELIF,
yes.
average greater than lesser than 80 and average greater than 70.
Hmm.
Print after that double code is there, right? We should put that.
Yes, 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 yes. You, if you're writing Visual Studio Code, you have to put double quotes because
I
I'm
am
not
writing
printing.
in edu blocks.
Print EduBlock, you don't have to put double quotes. Already, if you bring the statement here, there are two print blocks are there. One is with double quotes, one without double quotes. You just drag and drop with double quotes because I'm not printing any variable here. So I'm printing only the data. Okay, I'm not printing variable. So directly you can call the print statement. You can display here. Okay. Okay, so
Okay.
now this program is done. Now we are going to discuss about for loop. So we have 20 minutes. Quickly we can discuss. Okay.
It's not working for me in Visual Studio Code.
Okay. Visual Studio Code. What here you are getting?
No, there are many problems. It's just that um,
Okay. Now after the session, and you can share your screen. I will help you to fix. Okay. Now listen the class. Okay. Then later, after 20 minutes, we can discuss. Okay. Those who are having issues, you can stay here after this session, then we can discuss what issue you are facing. Okay, so now I will go back. So this is clear, right? Anybody having this doubt on this if statement? If else, anybody having doubt? Shall we proceed for next for loop? Okay, so I'll proceed. So now you can come from again, refresh. I'll start one more program from scratch, new. So again, I'll go back. I'll click, just go back, click back button. If you click back button, it will come to your home page. So in that home page, you select get started and select Python, and here you put for and click start coding. Okay. So here we are going to display. We are going to draw circle. This is very easy. Okay. This is not like very complicated like if statement. This is very, very easy. So now I will explain for. So anybody know what is the for loop? What is for loop? Nihal, Zahid, you know what is for loop?
Don't know.
Okay. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll just uh, print one. Okay. Now I'll duplicate. I will want to print 1, 2, 3 in my code. Print 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I am putting 5 blocks to print 1, 2, 3. See the code here. Print 1, print 2, print 3, print 4, print 5. I'm running this. So I'm getting output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? But you can see here, every time I'm using same code, only values are changing. Like that repeated. If you are doing any repeated instructions, that is called loop. So we can handle this loop in two way, either for loop or while loop. Okay. So next class I will discuss what is while loop. Now I will display what is for loop. Okay, you are doing the repeated action. When you're doing some actions repeatedly, then that is called loop. So here I'm printing the same code 5 times. So here the loop is getting repeated for 5 times. So we can avoid the duplication. How we can avoid, I will tell you. So I will remove all the print statement. I will remove this also. So you can go for loops. You can see here. Just listen here. You can see the loop, right? So now we are going to learn loops. You select the loop. Select the loop. Here you can see for, while, for, and one more for, break I. So select the second one, for I in range number. Select it, click it, it will come, put it here. Okay, I repeat, select the loops and second block, click it and keep it here. After that, is it done? Let me know. Nihal, Zahid, Samina, Fatima, is it done? You drag and
What
drop.
is the meaning of print U?
Where is print you here?
You send in the chat box, right? That I'm asking.
Print you, I didn't send. Maybe it is the only.
Last,
Yeah, yeah.
last.
That is maybe off only copied. That is your grade is B plus some way. Okay, so leave about that. If statement is completed, okay, you complete it, you put your grade is C plus, like that you print. Okay,
Okay, I will try.
okay, leave it. If leave if statement. Now come to for loop. Now we have started another topic. Okay, so open new edu blocks or Visual Studio. You can put like this. If you open Visual Edu block, is you are using Visual Studio Code, simple. Here you can Visual Studio open the and go here and click on for loop dot py. Any name you can give and you select for I in range of 10. Okay, then colon, like that you can give. So let me tell you what we have to do here. So numbers means I want to tell this loop how many times you want to repeat whatever code you are writing inside the for loop, that much time it will repeat. I want tell that for a for loop run my below code, whatever code I have given inside your stomach, you have to repeat the code for 5 times. So what I'm going to write the code here, print. Okay, not this one. You have to select the variable. Okay, now you have to select the print variable. Print variable, I am giving I. Okay, so for I in range of 5 means repeat print this I value for 5 times. Now I'll run the code. You can see it is getting printed from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the range will start from 0 only. Always for range will start from 0. So now I value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? If I give 10, it will start from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 9. If I want 100, it will print 100 times. It will print the value 100 times. So the I value is first, initially I value is 0, then it will increase 1 by 1. 1, 2, initialization is 0, then increment 1 by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 100. You understood? Now what is for loop? This is the Visual Studio code. This is only 2-line code. So Visual Studio for I in range of 10, then print of I. Finish. That's all. If I run, it will print for 10 values, but start from 0. That's why you are getting 9. If you don't want 0, you can put I plus 1. Then you will get 1 to 10. Understood? Zahid, Nihal, got it? What is for loop?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
okay, now I'll remove for loop. I am going to draw multiple circles. Okay, we'll come back to about again turtle graphics. So now first I will import very interesting turtle graphics. I will import from turtle import. After import, I will go to turtle equal to new turtle. Then Just listen, then you can practice. Okay, don't do now, just listen. So I import the turtle. I have created the new object turtle equal to turtle. Then I am giving the turtle's shape. So here you can give shape of circle, square, arrow, or turtle. I am giving turtle itself the shape. Now color, what is my turtle color? So turtle color I am giving green. In double quotes I am giving green. Okay, so after that, how much speed I want to draw the circle? So speed I am giving 100. Okay, after that, now I will draw the circle. Draw the circle. Where is circle? Okay, circle is 100. Okay, I repeat what I have done. I import the turtle library. I created one turtle object. I gave the shape. I gave color. I defined the speed. Then I draw the circle. I'll stop. I'll run again. So I got one circle.
Sir,
Yeah,
I know how to use for loop to make a semicircle or quarter of a circle.
very good, very good. Okay, okay, just listen this class. So now I have created the one circle here. I want to create one more circle. What I can do? I can create, but I don't want to start from same point. I want to change my direction. Okay, because what happen if I create one more circle, then if I run the program, see circle draw one more time, again one more time, it will start from same point. So it doesn't meaning I cannot see the difference. If I again I want to draw a third circle, I'll stop, I'll run. I will it is keep on, it's like a orbit, same place it is rotate creating the circle. So that what I have to do, I will create one direction. I'll change the direction. How I can change the direction? By using turtle dot forward. Then I will change the direction into left angle, left side. Left angle, how much degree I want to change? I will change to 20 degree. Okay, so now you can listen here. So if you draw again, it will change the angle. You can see here, I'll reduce the speed. I'll reduce the speed to 10. So now you listen. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, so now it will change to 1.
Should we do this?
You do, right. First listen, then you can do. Okay, see, I'll change the speed to 1. So it is drawing the circle. I put the speed instead of 100, I put 1. That's why it is going very slowly because I want to know. See, now it changed the direction. That is called angle. Okay. So the angle is angle 20 degree. Here it will change the angle by 20 degree. Okay. Mm. Okay. So now okay. I don't want to duplicate the code. So again, I will duplicate. Where is this? This angle I'm changing again for second time. So 20 degree again. I change the angle. I draw the circle. I change the angle. So if I run this code, you can see here, it is very slow. I'll increase the speed to 100. So it will draw. So 3 times it will draw, but it changed the direction. That's why you can see three different things. I want to draw 100 circle. So I have to duplicate. The code looks ugly, right? The code looks very ugly. So I don't want to duplicate. I'll remove everything. Then I'll call my for loop, my friend for. So the for will help you to 100 times, 1,000 times also you can create circle. So here I'm telling draw circle for me for 100 times. First is draw the circle and then after drawing the circle, immediately change the angle. So I don't want big circle, draw small circle. Otherwise, I'll give 50. Draw small circle. But once you draw the circle, immediately change its angle to 20 degree. Okay. So now I'll look here. See, it is drawing circle for 100 times. But once you draw, automatically it will change the angle to 20 degree. You got it? Okay, it's look like our expo logo. Okay, I will give in 50. I want to increase the circle size to little 100. Okay. Okay, now you can try. Now you can try. I'll show the code. You try and let me know. You got it? Okay. So today we learn about if statement and for loop. So next session we'll learn about while statement and random numbers. Okay. Okay. Bye. Thank you.